How to increase your Snapchat score fast? Want to boost your Snap score and show off your Snapchat status? Here's how to increase your Snap score the right way and make those numbers climb fast. Restricting your friends won't help here. Only photos and videos count, so you need to send snaps daily. And the bonus tip is send group snaps to get credit for each friend. Now open Snapchat, click the snap and send it to your friend. Okay, just send it to your friend like this. Send it. Don't leave them on. Open each snap you receive and open adds to your score. So open the snap and just like this. You need to use the Snapchat every day. The more you snap, the more you grow. It's that simple. Add new friends from here. Add new friends and start streaks and keep conversations going. Snapchat loves real engagement. You just need to send snap and open snaps, post stories and add new friends, and you need to stay consistent for it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more hacks and comment your current snap score. Thank you for watching.